Hello guys, yes, welcome to my new YouTube video. This is Dami Optimus, your TGR ambassador, and I'm here to introduce this new printer to you guys. This is another one, okay? I have several here. You know I distribute these printers nationwide, so you can get the printers from me, and I will train you. That's the purpose of this video, to teach you how to use this printer to print anything you want. So if there is something you want to achieve with your own printer and I haven't done a video for it, just drop a comment below and ask your question. Okay, if you want me to do a video about a particular printout, maybe you want to print something, you don't know how to go about it, just drop if I can get a lot of comments on the same request, then I'll do a video on that. Okay, now please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and ensure you click the bell icon so you don't miss my future videos. Okay, all right, and please click the like button so that other people too can get to watch this video. So I'm going to introduce this printer to you. Now it looks like the first one I introduced, right? You can watch my other videos on this if you have access. All right, yes, they look alike. You can see, yeah, the power button is here. So when you press and hold, it comes on, and you'll see that the power indicator is blinking. Let it focus. Okay, can you see that it's blinking? Yeah. This button is for opening the paper compartment. So when you press it down, you press it down very well. Press. And then it clicks open to reveal the paper inside. And it uses normal POS paper. Okay, you can see I have some rolls of paper here. POS paper. Normal POS paper. Okay. You can snap it shut again. And it comes with a charging cable. Comes with a charging cable. What else? You can see that this particular one has this holder, something you can use to hold the printer. I'm sure ladies will like this pink color, right? Now, you'll be wondering, what's this? Well, this is where the charging cable will go. This is where you charge. Now, I always advise people, don't use I better pass my neighbor to charge this thing, okay? It's very delicate. Now, this is my own printer that I've been using for over a year now. And it's because I've been keeping it very, very carefully, okay? Don't give your kids to play with. This is for business. This is for work, okay? It's not a toy. It looks like a toy, yeah. They look like toys, but don't give your kids to play with. Keep it. Keep out of reach of children, okay? Please. Now, when you've charged it properly, the power indicator, okay, no, when you start charging, I think it shows red. Then when it is fully charged, the red power color would go off. So which means it's fully charged. So make sure you charge this well. Then if you don't use it for some time, the power will go off automatically. All right? It goes off automatically. Then the paper can run out. You can run out of the paper, and then you have to now get extra paper rolls. Okay? You can get extra paper rolls, and then you wrap it around this roller. Okay? The roller is not compulsory, but it makes it easier. I'll show you a sample now how to roll it. Okay, let me just wrap it around this again. and there's a direction you have to maintain because of the sensitive surface. It is this side of the paper that is sensitive. The inner side is not sensitive to the printer head, okay? So you have to wrap it in the correct direction, and then you place it in the tray in a particular way. Okay, you see what I'm doing? You maintain this direction, roll the excess in, and snap it shut. All right. So I'm going to take some paper from this because it's usually too big to fit into. That's the full paper roll is usually too big to fit into the printer compartment. So I'm just going to roll some out, and then I will use scissors to trim the quantity that I need out. Okay. So just trim something out like that. Okay. So this is a roller. So take note, look at how the paper is rolling. You maintain that direction, or this direction. Then put the roller like this. Can you see? Put it like this, and then you start rolling. You start wrapping it around the roller. Okay? And then wrap it around like that, and then you continue. You see what I'm doing? Following that direction, because it's the outer side that is sensitive to the printer head. You know, these printers are inkless. You don't need to change the ink. It doesn't use ink, actually. It's the paper itself that is sensitive to pressure and heat. So that's why they call these printers thermal printers. They are thermal printers. So you roll it like this. You roll it. You can press this button to open the compartment. You press it down. Bring out that one that is there. Then, let me remove this one. Then you hold the paper flap like this. Put the paper inside. Push it in a bit, and then you snap it shut. It's out. You leave out this little flap. Whenever you turn on the printer, some of the paper comes out and goes back in. Okay? Yeah. Now, so that's for the printer itself. How do you connect to it? Okay. So, how do you connect? So the app, there is a particular app that works with this particular printer. The app that works with this printer is different from this one. And there's still another one here that looks exactly like the one I use, but the apps are different. Okay? They are the same. They look the same on the outside, right? They look the same, but their apps are different. So you can watch the other videos that I've done. The app that works with this one is called WorkPrint. I'm going to show you in Play Store. So I'm going to go to Play Store, and I'll search for WorkPrint. Work. Look at what I'm typing. WorkPrint. And that's it. You see the first one, WorkPrint. Okay. That's it. I'll click on it. By a company called Efferco. I've already installed it. So when you install it, it's going to ask you to register your email address. So you will need to register. So after registering, that is when you will now log in. I've already registered, okay? Now it's going to connect automatically to using Bluetooth. I expect it to connect. You can see Bluetooth connected because I've connected before. But for you, a first timer, you have to go through a process of pairing. Because you are a first timer, you have to go through a process of pairing. I'm going to disconnect. Let me disconnect so that I can show you how you would connect. But you must first register so that you can log into this. You must register so you can log into this app. Okay. You will register with your link. You register with your link and then, with your email address. You register with your email address and then you log in. They will send a code to your email for you to log in. Okay. So, all right. So I went to. So you can see that I clicked on this button here. I want to disconnect, so I'll click on mine. Then I'll go to printer. Click on printer. And then, so I'll click on, let me go back again. Someone interrupted me. Okay, so you click on mine, then I go to printer. This is where you will select the printer device. Okay, in this case, this is mine. I've already paired with it. But here, you have a list of devices you can pair with. All right. So yours will be listed here. So you have to now try. If it fails to pair, you close the app completely and come back. Okay? You go back to the app that you've installed. Remember I said you would register. Maybe you have to go to one of my videos on this, on how you register, get the code that will allow you to be able to log in for the first time, and then you log in. Watch that video and then you can come back to this again. Alright, so I'm going back to mine, and then because I've already connected before, that's why it's showing that I've connected. So it's easier for me to connect. You can see it's saying Bluetooth connected. So that's what you will also experience once you started using this printer regularly. It will connect easily. But if you've not connected, just click on, you just try. You try to pair. Let me go back. Pair. I clicked on the paired tab. Do not disturb. Okay, so my printer, I know this is the right one I ought to click. That's why. So once I click on this, because I've already connected, it will tell me I'm already connected. Okay. I'm already connected. But you have to connect and ensure that you've connected. If it keeps failing, you close the app and come back. Okay. I don't want to start afresh because I've already prepared some things here. I've saved some drafts that I can reuse for my own printing. So I don't want to go through the whole process of registration, and I don't want to go through that process and then lose the information I've already saved. But just go to the other video, okay? Watch that and then come back to this, all right? Then there's something else that is important that you need to do. You see this custom strip, click on it and turn off this settings so that you don't have extra things showing in your printouts. You can see date and then this logo. You don't need this logo label. You don't need them. Just turn them off. Please remember to do that. Very important. You will be coming here regularly. This is my printer in order to be able to connect. So once you tap on this, it's going to try and connect. Bluetooth connected. Can you see that? So I'm connected successfully. So that's what you will do too. You will choose the correct one. Just remember to turn on your Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth must be on, okay? Your Bluetooth must be on. Alright, so that's that. So, if you've watched my other video where I generated some MTN pins and I also customized them. So I want to paste the MTN pins that I generated and I'll show you how I add the logo. So I'll click on new notes, okay? You click on new notes, click on text. The keyboard will appear. I don't need the keyboard now. I just want to make sure it's bold, okay? Bold. Remember that because you are using work print, it's most likely that your setting will be 30 characters. Just go back to that video where I customized. You must always choose 30 because of the width. So I'm going to paste the MTN. I'm going to paste that MTN here. Paste. Okay. I've pasted the MTN, but there are no logos. These are 10 MTNs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see that? So I could decide to go ahead and click this. If I click on, I could decide to print this, but not yet. If I tap on bold, it's going to be dimmer, right? If I tap on bold again, experiment with this, play around with this and see the effect, okay? See the effect of this. So if you want to print, you can click on this button at the top and then it brings it here. Now, I chose custom. In your own case, it may be middle or dark. But remember, if you print in this mode and the darkness setting is 30, it won't be as sharp as it should be. So choose custom and drag this to 40 so that it will come out very deep, very dark before you click on print. Okay? You have to do that. Always remember, set it on custom and leave it there and drag this to 40. Leave it in 40, okay, before you print. I can decide to print, but I'm not going to print. I want to put logos here. Alright, so I'm going to click on picture. This is where I will get the logos that I need. So I'll click on photo album. So it's going to load my gallery. And then I'll go to TGR stuff. Yeah, so this is where I have MTN logo. I'm just going to do for a few. And then you tap this and click on insert. So you see the MTN logo. You can get the logos online, okay? So I want to shrink this now. So I'll click on this corner like that. I can make it bigger. And then I do this. Can you see that? So you have to repeat the process for the other ones too. So you go back to, you've already clicked on picture, right? You don't have to click it again. So your gallery will load. Then you go to where your logos are. Oh no, not here. Go back. It will load your gallery. Click TGR stuff. Click. Then that. Then I'll click on insert. Then I click this. So I'm just going to do this two. You can finish off the other ones. So once I've done this, once I've done all the other ones, I can now click on print at the top there. My custom setting has already been fixed, so it's there. Then I can click on print, and if I click on print, watch what will happen. I'll click on print, and this should come out. Can you see? It's already coming out. So that's how you print your recharge pins from TGR with this printer. Remember I used to say that you can print anything. Yes, you can print anything. I'm going to show you that now. So it's printing. Oh, I know why this happened. That's wasting my paper. Now, can you see why it's doing that? It's just wasting my paper. I didn't check. This is happening because of their recent update. The recent update that was done to the app is the one causing this nonsense. So to avoid that in your case, you can. This is not part of the video. I didn't intend to do this, but since it happened, just go back, click back, then scroll up a bit, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, then go back. It should have, it has scattered my, so just arrange them again. Then check, you see that it's not there again. So that's the thing. So if I click this, it will print, but I'm not going to do that. So to save yourself a lot of stress in the future, you can decide to save this as a template. You can save it as a template that will be in your history so that you can reuse what you have. Okay, so if I click back and I click back again, it's going to tell me if I want to save it as a draft. If I say yes, it will be saved. Okay, so let me show you. I said no, but the ones I've already saved as drafts are in this historical note. So I can reuse these things so that I don't have to start from scratch to put logos in all of them. Okay, like here are some, these are some MTN that I printed. So if I want to edit a draft, I'll just tap on it and click on edit. You need to try this out, okay? Not everything will be, you will not be taught everything, okay? So this is a draft. Click on text. I want to make it bold so that it will fill up all the space. You see? Then I will paste the one that I want to, I'll select all. I have to select all again. I want to reuse this draft. You see that all these ones have logos. So this is what I normally do. Because I have already completed this draft, I'll just paste the one that I want to format, you see, and then click on print, and I'm good to go. And then I send, it's going to come out. You see? You see that? You see? And they all have logos because I've already saved that. That's why I didn't want to clear the app and start from scratch to teach you how to register. You will figure it out. I trust you. You are brilliant. You will figure this out. So this is how it works, okay? But if you still have a question, just drop your question in the comment section. Okay, this paper is done. So let me put this extra one in there. So yeah. Okay. So I'm going to close that, and we are back in business. You can print anything. Like I said, I'm not saving this draft. You can print anything, anything. Maybe you want to print a banner. You want to print a banner that you put in your shop. You want to display something for you. Just click on banners. Okay. So you type welcome no, you can say buy airtime here. So I'm going to increase the font size to be as big as possible. Buy airtime here. You can see the preview. You can change the orientation if you want it to print out like this, but I don't want that. This is the orientation I want, this horizontal one, and it's in the largest. Okay, so I'll click on this print. Oh, it's coming out already. So you can paste this on the door of your. You can even add emojis and it will come out. It will appear there. You can see. So these printers are very versatile. They are very useful. And you can get yours from me. Just order. Go, check my description in the description section. Or just drop a comment right now. If you want this kind of printer, you want me to teach you even more, you can have access to me on WhatsApp. See, buy airtime here, and that's it. And then you can trim it out with your scissors. Let me open it a bit. Okay, so I'll just trim it out, and there you go. You see, buy airtime here. Not only that, you can print pictures. You can take a picture, like you want to print. Maybe you have a picture on your phone you want to print. Okay, I'll print this one now. That's a printer now. The printers, right? I'll insert. You see, it's in black and white. And I will send it. You'll notice that the custom setting is already fixed. So if I say print, it's going to come out. So in case you want to give someone like a sample of something so they have an idea. Yeah, this is it. See? So sharp, so clear. There you go. You can trim it out. Yeah, you can get these printers from me. They are available. Just chat with me on WhatsApp or Telegram or comment. Drop a comment. You will get this printer. You can print cartoon characters. No, I'm not saving it. Go to Material Factory. There's a lot of sample. It's loading. It takes a while to load. So it's loading. Don't know why it takes so long, but it's loading the. So you just have to wait a bit. taking so long? Sorry, it's taking long. Okay, let me exit and go back. Okay, yeah. So let's say I click on transportation and I want to print this. I can decide to make it bigger, you see, and I would preview it and send, you see. So you can print anything. So you notice that it seems like it's wasting paper. So if you still want to continue printing, you can just open the printer compartment, then push this paper in a bit so that it doesn't waste too much paper for you. You see, I've pushed it in and I've closed it, so it will continue now. I can print something else again. I'm not saving that. Let me print this helicopter. I'll make it bigger. Let me make it smaller. I'll send, and it will come out right after. Okay, it's still wasting the paper, but so that's how to use the printer. You need to just try things out, okay? Try things out yourself. You need to try things out. There's a lot you can do, actually. There's a lot you can do here. If you don't try it out, you won't know. So just give it a try. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do that. I'll see you in the next video. Please drop your questions in the comment section. If you want to order this printer, let's talk. I'm available, okay? I deliver nationwide. All right? Thank you very much. Bye for now. I remain Dami Optimus, your TGR ambassador.